This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your age on Twitter. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am logged into Twitter. To hide your age on Twitter, first thing you want to do, in the pane off to the left hand side here, you want to click on Profile. Now in the center pane here, you want to go over and you want to click on Edit Profile. Then you will scroll down toward the bottom, and right by your date of birth, you want to click on Edit. And then you'll click on Edit again. Now you will scroll down toward the bottom and you'll see your birthday right in here. In this area here, you can actually change your birthday. You just click the drop down, change the month, the day, or the year of your birthday. Below that, who sees this? You can control who sees your birthday on Twitter. They allow you to control the month and day or the year, or you can control both of them. For the month and day, you just click the drop down here. You could make the month and day public. You could make it to where only your followers can see it, only people that you follow can see it, or people where you follow each other. Or if you want to set that to private, you would select only you. That's for the month and the day of your birthday. And for your year, it gives you the same options. You can click the drop down here. You can set your birthday year as public. You can make it only to where your followers can see it, only to where people that you follow see it. If you follow each other, or if you want to make it private, you would select only you. That's what I have mine set to. And then the final step, you would go up and you would click on Save. That is how you hide your age on Twitter. Thanks for watching.